Paul Alaje, na Economist. He go follow us sit down on top studio to yarn the matter. And Paul, they join us for Inside Zoom. Paul, good morning to you.
Good morning, and thank you for having me.
Good morning. I see the suits where you wear this morning. They like person who won't count better money. When people don't wear this kind of coat like this, wear glasses. The figures then go just the roll for air like this. Good morning and welcome.
Okay,
Oga Presido don't present budget now. And the total package of the budget number 16.something trillion naira, 9 days inside the budget. We come here say defense and security now carry the lion's share for inside the budget. First of all, as an economist, you know how the budget don't deal. What's the difference between recurrent expenditure and capital expenditure and all of that for the budget? How this one used to do you for body as an economist?
Well, the way I see the budget, I see say don't turn to a ritual where we do every year. And when you hear the word budget, what it mean be say the money where we think say we go collect and the one we won't spend. If the one where we want collect no reach, now we say we go borrow money be that. If you see the budget, and in the last say 10 years or 20 years, now so borrow, we dey borrow. As if we say we know to get that kind of money where we won't get. And the reason why we no get the money plenty, no be here, we go finish them. You know, it can be like wahala. You know, say wahala said be like bicycle. You know, they're too tough to start. You just roll your leg that. As I talk, make I just they talk, they explain them small for our people where they their office or their house. Government said they won't spend over 16 trillion. For that 16 trillion, we talk say about 10 trillion. Now be the money where we go gather for ourselves. 6 trillion for the money, na borrow we go borrow them. To take joint for everything to be what we want to spend. What make me happy for this budget? A number of things where sweet my belly where. The first one be say the president don't continue to submit this budget as at the time where him promise saying go submit them. Like I said before. This budget, they carry and go
enter the year
in January.
Yes.
Sometimes, but it don't change that time now. Where budget go for October, and National Assembly they're supposed to check out
to deliberate.
By January, first week in January or December, say we don't pass the budget. Everybody don't know new year and enter new plan.
New budget.
Yes.
And Nigeria will come consider with other countries of the world that are doing the right thing. That's one they decide. The second thing where I believe we say this budget, according to what they talk, we say then go get priority for women that want to get maybe contracts through ministry and parastatals of government. That one we say maybe we know they neglect women for our society. There is nothing where woman no fit do. So we no think say because we be man, now we get power pass. So I dey happy with that one. But the thing where before I dey check which one can high. When it no sweet my belly at all. Now to say we go borrow money again. Make I give you some information from the budget. The money we won't collect from crude oil from this budget is 3.16 trillion. But the one where we go to service from this budget is 3.61 trillion.
Wow.
You know, almost 500 billion naira. Now it go still if we carry all the money where we expect for oil, say maybe we put them for all the money we expect for oil, maybe we put them the service debt.
Wow.
That one a serious begin. No be so?
A serious issue be that one. So now debt, now that money go.
So even if we carry all the money for oil, God has blessed Nigeria with milk and honey. Now we get oil, Niger Delta, no worry. All the money, if we carry and put to service debt, according to the debt we must service next year, it no go reach.
Wow. So which means even if we make that money from oil, the money go enter debt and it still no go reach to cover all the debt we they owe.
Oga, no be me talk am. Na the budget.
Okay.
Na the budget. I no talk am. Na the budget talk am. No be me talk am.
All right.
Okay, so Oga Alaje, we could just move to other things then for inside this budget now. Somebody go think, say, considering the realities of our time for Nigeria, how things hard, rich and all that, government supposed to cut down small things for inside their own normal expenses, them like the cars, them, where they buy, all those their food money, them, all those kitchen equipment, them for Aso Rock and all that. How you see that area then for inside the budget, them? Because all those things are waiting they spend money for every year. I mean, the ones who do spend money before will not use them again this year.
I don't know why they buy vehicle all the time. And you know the problem, sir. If to say the motor where they buy, now Nigeria here, then they make them. Because if that they make that motor, go they help people where they produce motor, this vehicle. Yeah. That one said, would they grow? If they like, maybe they buy 6 months. So long say na Nigerian job, that thing go they create job here. So long say na Nigeria people go they make income. But all the money where we they carry, say we won't buy motor here, and we won't buy motor for politicians here. That money they go outside Nigeria. Is they part of the thing where they make our exchange rate good?
Now we see make our FX level. Oh,
when you carry money, say you want import something. Whether na toothpick or na motor or na woman L, or you impregnate your wife, export them. You can't import your child, call his name Tokumbo. Whichever one, when you do.
I got this table where you they shake.
He say import your child. True.
When you say you want to go give birth to your child in UK and America.
Yeah.
Now import now. You see our politicians, I don't mention them. It be like say some of them just come back. They say na physiotherapy.
Yes.
Physiotherapy finish for Nigeria.
They have
I don't know the person. I know.
You know, make we call him name now. It inside paper, but make we move on. Oga Paul.
I know this paper.
No worries,
I'm an economist.
We know we call his name. Oga Paul, you be make one statement about the fact say we dey collect loan and it dey do you one kind for belle. Shey to collect loan na bad thing because some people they talk say you fit collect loan to take move your ministry forward and things go happen well. But for Nigeria now, you feel say this borrowing of loan na bad thing for us as you take a look the matter.
Now 3 things economists for the world don't decide whether to collect loan good or not. So I no go tell you my opinion. I go tell you waiting research. Don't say.
Oh yeah, now give us facts.
If one say before you collect money as a country, we won't check the size of your economy. Where we economists they call GDP. Total money where they your country, where you they spend or you they collect to, where everybody, whether na the person where they sell pepper for Kanaisa or na pastor or na doctor or na imam, everybody put them together, including the president, including servants, everybody together. Now that total money, they say the debt where you they hold, it must not be more than 40%. Nigeria never reach 40%. So for that side, people wey know the remaining go say, maybe they borrow, they go. We never reach out for 40%. But you need to wait because na 3 conditions. They said that one, if we pass, make you no take decision yet. Check the second one. What is the second one say? He said the money where you they take service your debts. That is the interest. Where they the money, say that one, it no suppose pass 1/3 of the money where you dey earn. That is, debt service to revenue should not be more than 30 to 33%. According to the one where they release or report where they release. The thing done last year, we see say it reached close to 90%. Now the report. So if money where we they collect, we they pass 50. They pass 60 to around 70. You say that one go worry us.
Yes, sir.
So the thing we're not supposed part 1/3. Why you not supposed buy 1/3? I will tell you. So that the remaining 2/3 we go carry and do road. we go carry and build education, we go carry and build. But as the money no come day, when we just carry most of the money service there, you say wahala sef day. Our prayer say make the wahala no wear trouser.
Okay, so Oga Alaje, Moku just talk about this matter. You don't say this borrowing. Some people don't talk say all the money we be say they collect from looted fund them. If we join them together, tax don't plenty. Different government ministries and parastatals they will be say then they generate revenue constantly. The passport office, for instance, immigration, the money where they make from passports, plenty. Customs, money where they make. In fact, during this period, customs don't make its highest grossing so far for government, for importation and all of that. So all of this money then join together. Then why be say we manage our tax money them or internally generated revenue in a way where be say it go fit day enough for us to fund our budget instead of us to go to borrow.
Adam, point number one. Waiting be exchange rate for 2014. Waiting be exchange rate for 2010. Those people no collect that kind of money for 2014, 2010, 2015, 2017. They no collect. But you see, as we dey collect the money, most of the things where we dey consume, from cars to human hair to laptop to phone, they are all imported.
True.
Government say they want build one project, we want do rail, we want good things where government want do. Good things. They want support military, make them buy weapon, make them buy
new weapon,
The money go where they carry body up. Now increase. You know why? Now dollar we go still go back, do fine to buy this thing, import them, come our country.
True.
So the rate where dollar they increase, unless say we they increase our revenue past that rate. Not the only revenue issue we have, but exchange rate is a big issue.
That's true. That's a major issue. True.
Because that one another matter entirely now. No, if you can begin enter CBN and the Bureau de Change and exchange rate.
Another matter.
Okay, so Oga Paul, now just to wrap up this conversation, it good say you don't break down some of these yarnings with the here. I would just want to ask this final question. You see, say for this new budget, they talk say a high chunk of the money they enter security sector, our defense and everything. You feel say na good move, seeing the fact that we get other sectors we know even today strong. If you say na good move for this one to just for this sector to carry the chunk of the money based on the situation where we dey now?
No be government problem. You see, when meat no go round, now that time the senior man for house go they carry teeth, they share am.
True.
The kind of budget when Nigeria supposed get is supposed pass 20 trillion naira.
Okay.
So because money no dey, even this one where we want spend 16 trillion.
Yes.
6 trillion out of 16, now we go borrow. That one no worry you. If money dey and we know how to collect the money, we suppose they spend between 20 to 25 trillion. You see, if there is no peace, there is no economy.
True.
But
True.
You know what? If there is no economy, there will be no peace.
Not the same thing.
So,
Not true.
if like we should have security, give them everything. If we not build the economy, we come back to square zero.
True.
If you build the economy, security no day. We go see they go back.
Not true.
We
Not
don't
true.
get bandits before. Now all these BH brother dents we get. Because all the poverty, deprivation, don't they wire people? I don't talk say you dey hungry, make you dey behave bad though. You know good, bad na bad. You must not do.
But normal research carry am say where hunger dey pass and that time insecurity dey pass now. So that one no Igbo people talk, no be even us talk am.
Person wey no get job, you know where they work? Na workshop where they will start.
Nah there. Okay.
Thank you.
Oga Paul, thank you very much for joining us.
Oga Paul Alaje. I don't say the thing for this economy is full your head well. If we live here, you go the and they go remain small thing, go begin call out figures for us one by one. And unfortunately, our mathematics is not there our head to use remember your figures them. Now make we avoid your figures this morning. Thank you plenty as you join my put inside this matter for us. Thank you. Very soon we'll go physically call you again. We'll talk about this dollar matter because it's very important. We could use narrate how you be so go even make sure say dollar will use cash for inside the country. Oga Paul Alaje. Alaje, and don't follow stock for this morning. And of course, in the Economist. And you don't call Chukmat concerning the 2022 budget and the things that we be say kajad and the things we be say government for feed do differently. Unfortunately, we dey where we dey today.